Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at some fault codes in the Clio. So this is what we're going to be just looking at now with the scan tool. If you guys want a review about my scan tool I use, let me know, and I'll probably end up doing one anyway as like a review video of it, just so you guys can see the full amount of stuff it can do. As I say, we're just going into just scanning the system now. We've got the VIN off the vehicle. So it's come up with some airbag, SRS issues and some ECM issues. So these are the things we got. We got some brake, upstream oxygen sensors, clutch switch signals, and the pedal position. I think he might have been just resting his foot on the clutch, if I'm honest with you. Something about the voltage and there's quite a few. Something about other things. So what we're going to do is we are just going to clear the codes now and see what comes back, and we'll go from there, because otherwise we don't know if they're just historic faults that have just been there for like them having an issue one time. But we shall check, and we shall probably check on it the beginning of next week to see if any of them have returned, to see what we actually need to figure out and sort out. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And this was me trying to reset the oil, but you had to do it through the instrument cluster, which was fun for me to try and figure out. It was painful, if I'm honest with you. But you get to go through the instrument cluster and go through the dash on there.
And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.